online with AI image generator CF Spark. The online AI image generator by Creative Fabrica offers a lucrative opportunity for individuals seeking to earn money online through their creative skills. This platform empowers users to harness the potential of AI-driven image generation to produce captivating visual content effortlessly. By following these tips and strategies, you can maximize your earnings through the Creative Fabrica AI image generator. 1. Create high-quality visual assets. Utilize the AI image generator to craft stunning and high-quality images that resonate with your target audience. Focus on producing diverse and visually appealing content that caters to various niches and themes. 2. Identify niche markets. Research and identify niche markets that have a demand for specific types of visual content. Whether it's digital art, illustrations, graphics, or designs for specific industries, catering to niche markets can lead to higher engagement and sales. 3. Build a portfolio. Showcase your AI-generated creations by building a comprehensive portfolio. Highlight the range of styles, themes, and concepts you can provide, demonstrating your versatility and creativity to potential clients. 4. Customization services. Offer customization services to clients who require personalized visual content. Use the AI image generator as a starting point, and then fine-tune the generated images to meet the specific needs of your clients. 5. Freelancing platforms. Join freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer to promote your AI image generation services. Craft compelling profiles, showcase your portfolio, and offer packages that cater to different budgets and requirements. 6. Online marketplaces. Leverage online marketplaces like Etsy, Creative Market, or Redbubble to sell your AI-generated images as digital downloads, prints, posters, or merchandise. Create eye-catching product listings and use relevant keywords for better visibility. 7. Social media marketing. Establish a strong presence on social media platforms such as Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok. Share your AI-generated images, engage with your audience, and use relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience. 8. Content marketing. Start a blog or YouTube channel to share tutorials, tips, and insights about AI image generation. Providing valuable content can position you as an expert in the field and attract potential clients. 9. Collaborations and partnerships. Collaborate with other artists, content creators, or businesses to expand your reach. Joint projects can introduce your AI-generated images to new audiences and open doors to new opportunities. 10. Continuous learning and improvement. Stay updated with the latest trends and techniques in AI image generation. Experiment with new styles, effects, and features offered by the AI image generator to keep your offerings fresh and appealing. Remember, success in earning money online with AI-generated images requires a combination of creativity, marketing skills, and dedication. By consistently delivering high-quality visual content and effectively promoting your services, you can tap into the vast potential of the AI image generator and turn your passion into a profitable online venture. For more AI image generators, kindly subscribe my channel.